JoyNews. The Supreme Court has put on hold its ruling on ownership of properties worth about 23 million cedis, which the state contends belongs to businessman Alfred Woyome. The state wants to use the properties to defray 52 million cedis the businessman is to refund after he was wrongfully paid it in 2009. Receivers of defunct UT Bank, however, say they own the properties. Lawyers for Mr. Woyome on Tuesday managed to convince the Supreme Court to suspend its ruling. There is more in the following report.
The Attorney General had earmarked 3 properties for sale, but receivers of defunct UT Bank rushed to court claiming ownership of the residential facilities at Razako Valley Estates and Accra Newtown. Deputy Attorney General Godfred Yeboah-Dame had alleged the receivers were colluding with the businessman to prevent the state from satisfying the debt. He insisted 9 months after the bank had allegedly bought the property, the businessman used same as collateral to secure a loan in excess of 9 million cedis. Lawyers for Mr. Woyome objected to the Supreme Court determining UT's claim of ownership. They insisted the case ought to be heard at the High Court, but Justice Benin disagreed and fixed ruling for January 21. Lawyers for Mr. Woyome on Monday asked the court to suspend its ruling due to an application for review that had been filed. This, they explained, will be moved on February 19, 2018. Deputy Attorney General Godfred Yeboah-Dame opposed the application. He explained that nothing barred the court from going ahead to deliver its ruling. Justice Benin, however, granted the request, saying it was in line with best practice of the court to halt proceedings in such instances to avoid conflicting judgments. This means the ruling remains suspended until the review of the case is determined.